Good morning, Lucy.
Miss, what's the vibes? I don't phone. Hold on. Yo.
That's how you're speaking to your teacher now?
Hold on. Miss, what do you want? I'm talking to my boyfriend now.
Alright, Lucy, step out.
Hold on.
That would be it for today, class. See you next week.
Two weeks later.
Alright, good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are we today? Good. So we're going to continue with fractions today, right?
Yo.
Right. Lucy, this is getting unbecoming. I need to have a word with you after class, okay? So you spend 15 minutes with me after class today, alright?
We have a date.
You have a date?
Yes.
That's what your parents send you to school for?
It's like children, Jane. You know about school?
You don't know about school? Okay, we're probably in the wrong place. Remember, you have 15 minutes with me after school. Ladies, you may leave. Lucy, this is like the 8th week of school, and I spoke to you about 80 times already. You find that right?
Miss, well, between me and you, you have 20 more to make 100, so keep talking.
Lucy, what you see for yourself in the future? What you really want to do in the future?
Miss, I will work on bus.
You will work on bus. You spend your 5 years in school to work on bus after.
I still get money? What is it?
You sure that's what you want to do in life?
Yeah, I for now, Jared.
Your parents going to be proud of that?
Me and care about them.
I really see a good future in you. I believe you have the ability to do better. You have potential. I'm not going to give up on you. I'm going to work with you until you make a positive change. Okay?
Let me see what's going on.
Yes, 2 weeks later.
3 weeks later.
Good afternoon, class. Did everybody do the homework?
Yeah.
Oh, very good, Lucy.
Yes, miss.
Let me check yours first.
Yeah, miss.
She actually got all correct. Very good, Lucy. I like this change you made.
Yeah, miss.
Good morning, students. The theme for this week's assembly is Be a Change Agent. Everyone, can you repeat after me?
Be a change agent.
I want you to say this loudly. The theme for this week's assembly is
Be a change agent.
Very good.